croissant, got my coffee. The day is off to a great start.
What happened? Panic attack, I'm fine.
Bush Victoria, please. And can we get the double fried chicken? Start with the yolk.
From those bento places. Not really, but I feel like it's starting to grow on me a little. Do you think this is better than Japantown?
Hello. I have a pretty busy week this week, even though I wish I didn't because I'm recovering from my Tahoe trip. Today I have a Yelp Elite event. They're doing this multi-course family-style meal at a Mediterranean restaurant, and there's free wine involved, but I'm gonna have to pass on the wine because I have 3-hour GMAT class after, and if I drink anything, I will show up incoherent. But I will say, if you're not already Yelp Elite and you're a foodie, you should really look into it, especially if you live in an area with an active Yelp community, because I just read a couple reviews a month and I get access to all these really nice events. And then tomorrow I'm doing my first berries class, which is gonna kill me. And then Wednesday, I'm volunteering for a work event. The Shibutani siblings are coming to speak at my workplace, and I'm volunteering because I'm a little bit of a figure skating fan. I think it'll be really cool, so I jumped on that opportunity. And then Thursday, I am watching Barbie, finally. And then it's basically the weekend after that, so not a whole lot of recovery time.
When you were younger, you didn't see things quite the same as you do now. But now you're older, you find that sometimes you wish you had stayed.
Thank you.
Now, never ever knowing whether you're coming or going. And right now that sounds like crazy idea. But hey, let's not get down about being a clown or running away from town because you eat so well.
I'm like so we have GMAT class. This is so delusional. This is our little commute to class. We're like drunk. She's drunk. Not me, her. This is fun. This is so funny. This is hella not safe. I'm like scared right now.
It's hard.
Stepped out of my GMAT class because I got exciting news that I got my job offer. We're gonna be rich. Not really, but we'll be richer than we are right now. So every penny counts. Always negotiate. That is the lesson. Always.
I got destroyed. She's so good at running. I was like,
you took the male weight. You took like the 20 pounds.
no, I did 15.
You did 15?
But there was nothing else left. Does anyone ever just come here for the smoothie? Can you do that?
I feel like before I would always. I remember my drink used to be like.
Wait, you're matching.
Oh yes, yes, yes. You can grab it whenever.
It's only if yes. It's only for people. Can you hear us okay on the broadcast? I think we're good.
We're so excited to have you here with all of your new projects and accomplishments. Thank you so much for taking your time.
I just met and shook hands with the Shibutanis and had a full-on conversation and told them that I was a big fan. And I got a picture. Great day to be in the office.
What are the flavors?
Yes.
Oh, sweet fried banana.
Whoa.
I haven't had any. Which one's your favorite?
The light is so beautiful today. Hello, I'm on my way to watch Barbie with the girlies. I know people like dress up for this movie and wear pink dresses and heels and shit, but I cannot be bothered. I just want to be comfy when I'm watching a movie, so this is the fit, sweats. But yeah, we're going to Nijiya before to pick up some goodies. I always bring snacks into the theater. I don't care what anyone says, I'm not buying $20 popcorn. Hello, it is Friday. Happy Friday. I'm about to head out to go to Spark Social, which is like this food truck place in San Francisco. It's my friend's birthday today and we're celebrating, but he can't find a restaurant to fit this many people because he has so many friends. But yeah, going to Spark Social, and then we're gonna go out later at night. So that's the plan for the day.
This place, I want to see it, and then I'll like specifically find it.
Excuse me? There's not enough for 30 people? I woke up and checked the mail and I got this postcard that my friend who's been traveling the world for like the past almost a year now sent me. And it's of Switzerland, it's so cool. I love getting little cards in the mail, it makes me so happy. Even though I'm never the one sending them, so maybe I should do that too. Plan for today, I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's because my fridge is absolutely empty and I feel like I should buy some stuff even though I'm leaving on Wednesday to travel for a bit, but I need some food to hold me over until then. And then go to this little flea market, artist fair thing. And I'm gonna go visit my friend. This is her last day in San Francisco, which is so upsetting. She's one of the first friends I made when I moved here. Probably the first friend I made when I moved here. And she's leaving SF, she's going back to SoCal, which I don't wanna talk about it, but yeah, I'm gonna visit her, probably help her pack a little, and just say my goodbyes. Not my goodbyes, my see you laters. Like, I'm not really... You're gonna write anything in it?
Lately I tell you all the time, baby, that you make me feel fine.
stressed right now. This is the state of my room since I'm packing to go to Chicago for Lala, and then I'm gonna go home back to the East Coast for a little bit after. So 2 things to pack for. I'm gonna be gone for almost 2 weeks. I haven't even tried on outfits or anything because I don't know, I just haven't been in the mindset of like even processing that I'm going to Lala. So not sure if I'm gonna look that cute, but it's okay. It's not Coachella, it's fine. But yeah, I need to get this done at some point. I'm heading out right now to go eat dinner with some of the girlies in Japantown. I love it when people eat in Japantown because it's so close to me, so I don't have to trek it out anywhere. Good morning. I need to go to the office today with all my stuff because I'm leaving for the airport right after, directly from the office. I wouldn't bother going in if I didn't have an in-person client meeting, but I do.
Yeah, I think.